20 Tips to Convert Your PhD Thesis into a Book. Converting a PhD thesis into a book is a significant endeavor, but it can be a rewarding one. Watch this video from the beginning to end to understand the process completely. Here are 20 steps to convert your PhD thesis into a book. 1. Understand the purpose. Recognize that the purpose and audience of a book are often different from that of a thesis. A book should aim for a broader readership and be engaging for a wider audience. 2. Choose the right publisher. Research publishers that specialize in your field or topic. Look for publishers known for academic and scholarly works, as well as those who publish in your specific area of expertise. 3. Review the guidelines. Different publishers may have specific guidelines and requirements for book proposals. Review these guidelines carefully and ensure your manuscript aligns with them. 4. Create a strong book proposal. Develop a compelling book proposal that includes an overview of the book's content, its potential contribution to the field, a chapter outline, and a description of the target audience. 5. Revise the introduction. The introduction of your thesis may need substantial revision. It should provide context, engage the reader, and make the significance of your work clear. 6. Streamline and update. Eliminate or condense any sections of the thesis that are too technical, overly specialized, or less relevant to a broader audience. Update the literature review, making it more focused and current. 7. Revise the methodology. If your thesis had a detailed methodology section, consider reducing it and focusing on the most critical methodological aspects relevant to the book's argument. 8. Engaging writing style. Transform the academic tone into a more engaging and accessible writing style. Aim for clarity and readability. 9. New material. Add new material that expands on the thesis, provides additional context, or addresses any gaps in the original work. 10. Chapter structure. Rethink the structure of your chapters. Each chapter should be a self-contained unit, contributing to the overall narrative. 11. Conclusion or final chapter. Add a concluding chapter that summarizes key points, offers insights, and provides a sense of closure. 12. Check citations and references. Ensure that all citations and references are up to date. Modify the referencing style to align with the publisher's requirements. 13. Review and proofread. Carefully review and proofread the entire manuscript for errors, clarity, and consistency. 14. Obtain permissions. If your thesis includes copyrighted material, secure the necessary permissions to include that content in the book. 15. Consider the cover and title. Think about the book cover design and title, as these elements play a crucial role in attracting readers. 16. Peer review. Seek feedback from colleagues, mentors, or peer reviewers to refine your manuscript. 17. Submission process. Follow the submission process outlined by the publisher, which may include sending a book proposal, sample chapters, and a cover letter. 18. Be patient. The process of turning a thesis into a book can take time. Be prepared for rejection and consider multiple publishers if needed. 19. Rights and contracts. Understand the rights and contracts associated with book publishing, including royalties, distribution, and marketing. 20. Promote your book. Once your book is published, actively promote it through academic conferences, social media, and other marketing channels. Converting a PhD thesis into a book is a demanding but worthwhile undertaking. It allows you to share your research with a broader audience and make a lasting contribution to your field.